Classic Car Camping, Part 2. I'm going to show you what we've updated our kit to now. I found a couple of unique items that I was looking for, and some of the stuff that be some good classic add-ons to this kit. So we have our lanterns we had before, and a little quick review of what we had in here the first time around. We have our coffee pot, our tin cup, two skillets, our tin plates. Since then, I've managed to find two blue enamel plates. Can't hang on to the slick things. Two blue enamel plates, a couple of bowls, a white enameled mixing bowl, mixing pan. Got lucky, I found an Everware coffee pot, about a 4-cupper, maybe 5, and it actually is complete. I was really surprised to make this find. I've been having a problem finding some kind of a stock pot for this. Well, I got lucky and actually found 3, and they are Everware. And everything in this kit has been sourced from antique stores and flea market. Nothing off of eBay, nothing off of Amazon or any place like that. It's all been sourced by footwork, going around to flea markets and antique stores and spending a lot of time looking for specific items for this. But I actually found Everware stackable pots. I can get them apart here. They're nice big stock pots. I was really surprised to find these. And I got them for a really good price. They also had the lids. The one thing that's missing is the lifter for the back here, but I can reproduce one of those. And I also found an old classic set of aluminum measuring spoons. And I found an old antique scoop, which is really antique. I saw this, a guy had one on another video I was watching. I said, man, I would like to find one. And I looked out and found one. And I've also sourced 2 blue enamel aluminum cups to go in this kit. So that pretty well rounds this kit out, other than some silverware and maybe a knife that you would take from your kitchen. I do carry an old hickory modified butcher knife every day. So this would serve as a nice camp knife. And I carry a pocket knife, single bladed. Both of those would work as camp knife tools. So that kind of concludes this kit, other than putting in some flatware, silverware, which you could grab anything you wanted for that, given today's market. This aluminum products from Everware was introduced in 1930. So they've actually been around a long time. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.